My dear students, today I am going to discuss the same chapter, that is the demand. But our today's topic is demand curve and its slopes. Is it clear? So as you know, the demand curve always slopes downward. Okay, so suppose it is the demand curve and it always slopes downward. So what is the main reason that the demand curve slopes downwards? So first, here suppose there are two axes, one is the y-axis and other is the x-axis. Okay, so if this is the price, so the variable things, this is the price and this is the quantity demand, QD. Is it clear? So if we want to remove the variables items from the y-axis to move towards the x-axis, and due to that the curve always slopes. So slope of demand curve is known as slope of demand curve is equal to delta y by delta x. So what it indicates? It indicates that the changes takes place in the y goods in respect of the changes takes place in x goods. Is it clear? And that's why it is told delta y by delta x. So the slope may be of two types. One is known as linear slopes. Linear slope. Linear means a straight line. Straight line. So when it will become a linear slope. Okay. So if this is the demand curve and look, this is the first, this is the second. So what you find? You find that this much amount of y goods is sacrificed. Okay, this much amount of y goods is sacrificed and this much amount is x good is obtained. So here what you find? You find that the sacrificing of y goods is more and the gaining of x goods is less. So in this case, it will not be the straight line. It is not possible. So a straight line, to be the straight line, the ratio of delta y by delta x must be equal. Must be equal. This is most important. Is it clear? Means the amount of y goods, how much it is sacrificed, the same amount of x good is obtained. And when the ratio will be constant, when the ratio will be constant, our demand curve will be a straight line DD. Is it clear? Now come to the non-linear. Non-linear slope. Non-linear slope. So non-linear slope means it may be rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. So when it will be the rectangular hyperbola, so the shape like that. Okay. So if the demand curve is sloping but it moves like that, and it is known as rectangular hyperbola. So when this situation will come, so in this case also the slope of demand curve is equal to delta y by delta x, but ratio will never be constant. Is it clear? So in that case, the demand curve will be linear. Is it clear? Now, one thing always remember, demand curve never touches the x and y axis because demand never be 0. Always remember, D will never be equals to 0. That's why the demand curve does not touch each other. Okay? Thank you.